If you are wondering if Xiaomi Watch 5 is compatible with iPhone, then the answer is unfortunately no. If you use iPhone on a daily basis and if you are considering getting Xiaomi Watch 5, then I have to tell you straight away that you will not be able to pair the smartwatch with your iPhone. So in this case, I have the Mi Fitness app opened on my iPhone, which is the app that is usually used with Xiaomi or Redmi smartwatches. And here, if I go to device and if I open the scanner, in theory, I should be able to scan this QR code to add it to my iPhone. But as you can see, it doesn't work. It says that the QR code is not supported. There we go. And at the same time, we can also try to use add device button instead. This is an alternative that can be used to try to find the smartwatch and detect it by simply using Bluetooth instead of scanning the QR code, but the smartwatch does not appear on this list. And if we go to add model, over here we have the list of smartwatches that are supported. And if I go through this list, then you will notice that unfortunately, Xiaomi Watch 5 is not listed on this list. So we can also switch to other devices, but there is only the smart jump rope. So unfortunately, that's not it. So it seems that unfortunately, iPhone and Xiaomi Watch 5 are not compatible together. So if you really want to use a smartwatch with your iPhone, unfortunately, you have to choose something different. Leave a like and subscribe.